These are Prismacolor Premier Colored Pencils. With their high pigment load and balanced wax core, they have a smooth application with enough firmness for detail and enough softness for layering. They're great for blending, shading, building shadows, and layering color. For blending, start with a soft touch to build colors. Use small circular marks for smooth transitions or directional marks to create form. Burnishing with high pressure fills in the tooth of the paper to create stronger color and control over the blend, but makes subsequent layers more challenging to adhere. The wax-based binder makes it possible to use a solvent to soften and diffuse layers. Mineral oil creates smooth, rich transitions, while isopropyl alcohol softens colors and dries quickly, letting you build new color on top. For precise blending, a colorless blender alcohol marker offers even more control. For shading and shadows, use a smart saturation strategy. Begin by mapping your light areas with higher saturation and your shadows with lower. As you build, gradually reduce saturation in the light areas and increase it in the shadows, helping create depth and contrast before refining values in color temperature. With controlled layering, thoughtful blending, and a smart approach to saturation, these pencils give you the flexibility to create smooth gradients, rich color, and dimensional shadows.